Yo, what's going on, party people? Listen, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Why? Because it is tech day. It is tech day. We got a brand new piece of gear that I'm glad we finally got in, that we've been waiting to get our hands on for some time now, man. And you can already see I got the big boy, the Rodecaster Pro 2, sitting right here beside it. I don't know if you can see the Streamer X is back there hiding. Yeah, we running out of desk space, so we need to do some rearranging real quick. But yeah, doing an official unboxing. Y'all know, if you follow my channels, man, or my channel. No, I actually do have multiple channels, but I haven't done like a actual real unboxing like in a super long time. But you know, hey, let's just get right to it. Let me go ahead and change camera view here. And you know, I'm doing a lot more raw videos these days. I'm trying to lessen the amount of editing or whatever that we do so we can get this content out to you quicker. But I'm loving the packaging that Rode has really, you know, the effort they've started to really put in their packaging. You know, like I said on my previous video, they've really kind of entered that Apple, you know, space as far as the ecosystem. And this, you know, matter of fact, shut up, Walt. Stop rambling, because people are really not here to hear you say that. And most of you have probably already seen a lot of these videos on YouTube already of people unboxing and unpackaging their duos or whatever. But just in case you haven't seen the way I do my unboxing, it's not going to be cinematic, you know, so don't worry about all of that. But yeah, we go from the colorful box, I cannot talk today, to the plain box. All right, so we got the plain print sketch, black and white. It actually appears to be pretty much the same thing that's on the outside box. So we're going to open that. All right, welcome to Next Level Audio. I feel like that needed to be its own thing. Let's open this up here. All right, get the most. I don't know if you all can see that, but it says get the most out of your Rodecaster Duo. So it's telling you, you got the headphones, the NTH 100s, you got the pod mic, you also got the PSA 1 professional studio arm. So yeah, man, let's go ahead and get to it. Take this right out the box. All right, so man, this thing is so tiny, like so miniature. This is giving me like Nintendo vibes, yo. Like, this is so tiny. Let me move some of the stuff off the desk. But this is so, I mean, look at the comparison of that. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of people may not think it's that big of a difference or whatever, but compared to, you know, matter of fact, let me go ahead and take it out the plastic. Compared to the counterpart, all right, and I love the fact we got this quality assurance. Enjoy your Rode product. All right, let's see what we got going on. Hey, so they made sure everything passed, you know, before they ship that thing out. So I'm actually gonna make sure we keep that. Let's put that over here to the side. But back to what I was saying, like look at that. This is and I wish I have the original Rodecaster, because the original Rodecaster is bigger than this. It's bigger than this. This got more sleek. And then we went from that being sleek to now we get this miniature version. And for those who don't know, one of the main reasons I'm going from this to this is because I don't have a need for all 4 channels here at home. I'm actually this is going to be my travel unit. Now, somebody may say, well, Walt, the Rodecaster Duo is like smaller. Wouldn't you want to travel with this? No, because a lot of the productions I do are more so going to be 3 and 4 people, whether they're 3 or 4 person live streams or podcasts. So it makes more sense to actually record, you know, take this actually with me with the book bag or the case that I have for that, and just keep this on the desk. Now, I also have the Rode Streamer X, and you have been seeing all the content that I've been putting out specifically in regards to that. And granted, the Rode Streamer X now being paired with Rode Unify. You guys know, if you don't know, I'm a Mac user. I use ECAMM Live to record literally 99.9999% of all my content. So shout out to ECAMM fam. But Rode Unify, the beta for Mac has been released. And so when you pair that with something like the Rode Streamer X, I mean, you unlock the power of something like the Rodecaster Pro 2 inside of the Rode Streamer X. But I'm not so much a software person. I like buttons and dials and knobs and faders and all of that stuff. So I think the combination of the Duo and the Streamer X together, I think there are some endless possibilities there that I can't wait to see some firmware updates made. But for right now, we're gonna downsize from this. We're gonna go to this. This is gonna become the production, more so production unit. So we've made a lot of money off of this. We're gonna continue to make money off of this. We're gonna make money from home using this. And who knows, maybe I may just end up keeping the Streamer X and getting rid of this, or maybe if Rode, releases a firmware update, in time enough, maybe we can combine the two together, but we'll just kind of see. Like I said, I'm going from 4, combo jacks to 2. I'm going from 4 headphones to 2. I'm going from 8 pads to 6. But and I'm going from a physical record button to a digital record button. That's pretty much it. Everything else is the same, except for they brought back the TRS jack right here that was on the original Rodecaster Pro. I don't know why they took this away. Now, this is not technically supposed to work the same way as the original. It's supposed to be for headsets or whatever. Y'all know me, I'm gonna challenge that theory because I've been seeing some conflicting reports or whatever online on exactly what it's going to be capable of doing. But I will definitely let you know. And let me just, I'm gonna put this, let me turn down the sound. Matter of fact, let me mute everything over here so you guys can kind of get a reference.
Okay, well, you're doing too much.
So I forgot. Yeah, I forgot that, I had it on the wrong bank. So let me do it now, so I shouldn't, even if I hit one of the pads, we shouldn't make any noise. Okay. All right, I'm not getting any noise right now. I mean, look at that. Like, look at the size of that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All right, so let's see what else we got in the box. This is why I don't do unboxings, because I feel like they take too long. I feel like there's a strategy to doing unboxings, and I'm not very good at that. So we got the typical packaging. We got the typical power brick. All right. Making a lot of noise. We got that good old, man, I just love the fact that Rode is giving out these USB cables. They come in so clutch. I got so many of them, don't ask me how. Just know that I do. That lets you know I buy a lot of Rode products, and all of the products as of late are coming with a lot of USB cables, so we're never gonna run out. And then we got the power supply to actually go to that. So I don't believe in throwing away your boxes. I'm kind of sad because I lost a lot of boxes in my move, and that kind of broke my heart. But yeah, I believe in keeping, one of those techies, keep your boxes. So let's close this back up. Put this back here. I'm gonna keep the plastic. I'm gonna actually put this in a safe. I'm gonna put that in a safe place. Let's get rid of that plastic. Put this back in the box. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your box. And especially if you have to sell something, if you decide to do a private sale, I promise you, y'all, I can't put the box back in the sleeve. I promise you, you will get more money. Yo, like what? Is it really that difficult? That's why I don't do unboxings, y'all. You're really getting to see a true behind the scenes, because I don't do unboxings. Okay, there you go. You want to see the box? That's the top. You probably can't read that, so let me turn that around. That's it right there. Rodecaster Duo. Oh, I feel so slow doing this. But this is the content you want to see. Now, this joint says made for iPhone or iPad. Got some problems going on. Yeah, all that jazz. All right, so let's put that to the side. because we don't really need that right now. We don't need that right now. We got that. We got power. We got this. The question is, am I going to plug all this up so y'all can see if it works?
2,000 years later.